In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all backup from Google Photos. First, you will want to open Google Photos at the website photos.google.com. Once there, sign into your Google account. This is crucial because your account holds all the photos and videos you have backed up. After you sign in, you will see your photo library appear on the screen. This library is where all your backed up images and videos reside. Make sure you are logged into the correct account. This ensures that you are managing the right collection of photos. Next, click the first photo in your library. This action selects the starting point of your selection. Your photo will be highlighted, indicating that it is selected. This visual cue is essential as it sets the stage for the next steps. You want to make sure you start selecting from the beginning of your collection. Once you have done this, you will see the selected photo remain prominent on your screen. It's a straightforward action, but it helps to focus your efforts. Now scroll to the last photo in your library. This might take a moment if you have many images. As you scroll, take note of how the thumbnails appear. Each represents a photo you have backed up. Make sure you reach the very end of your library. This step is important because you want to select everything in between the first and last photos. Scrolling allows you to visualize the entire range of your backups. Once you reach the last photo, hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click the last photo. This action selects all photos in between the first and last photo you clicked. You will notice that all the photos in between are now highlighted. This bulk selection is a time saver, allowing you to manage multiple items at once. It simplifies your task and makes the upcoming deletion process more efficient. Next, click the trash icon. You will find this icon on the top right of your screen. Clicking it initiates the process of moving your selected items to the trash. This icon is often represented by a bin or trash can symbol. It's a clear indicator of the action you are about to take. Confirming this action is a critical step as it ensures that you truly want to remove these items from your Google Photos storage. After that, you will need to confirm that you want to move the selected items to the trash. A pop-up will typically appear asking for your confirmation. Take a moment to review your selection before confirming. This step is important because it gives you one last chance to reconsider. Once you confirm, the photos will no longer be accessible in your library, though they will be in the trash for a while. In the left sidebar, click on Trash. This section holds all the items you have recently deleted. You will see a list of photos and videos that are in your trash. This allows you to review what you are about to permanently remove. It's a helpful safety net to ensure you haven't accidentally deleted something important. Then, click Empty Trash or Delete Permanently and confirm to permanently remove all backed up photos and videos from your Google Photos account. This final action is irreversible, so be certain of your decision. After confirmation, your backed up items will be completely deleted. This is a significant step as it frees up space in your Google Photos cloud storage. If you want to keep the photos on your device but remove them from Google Photos, consider using the Undo Backup for this device option in the Google Photos app. This option allows you to manage your backups effectively. It ensures that while the cloud copies are deleted, your originals remain safe on your device. Managing backups in this way can help you keep your storage organized while preserving your important memories.